Hey my lovelies, this is MUTULU and today I'm showing you how to prepare the white rice alternative. This is my favorite. I came up with the idea of combining the seed fonio and the grain quinoa together just out of sheer curiosity. And when I mean the combination of those two, it's just off the chain. It's off the chain. Okay, so I want you to try this. You're going to be very, very pleased. For those of you that are white rice champions, advocates, you could say fiends, you're going to be very happy with this recipe. Now, all you need is 2 parts quinoa, 1 part fonio. 2 parts quinoa, 1 part fonio. And you are going to need roughly about 900 mils of some water, 1 tablespoon of some sea salt or Celtic sea salt. And once it's cooked, that is when you're going to add a lovely helping of coconut oil. And it will give it a nice, lovely taste. I mean, at this stage as well, you could add some fresh thyme, not dried, because it's not going to be the same in terms of flavor. It has to be fresh, okay? And that is it. So essentially, you're just going to be cooking this for roughly about 18 minutes or so. And that's it. Now, the fonio that I would encourage you to get, because it's pre-washed and it's just beautiful, it cooks in 5 minutes or so, is from eattolivenottoDie.com. Now the quinoa, you can get that from most places. Most health food stores tend to sell quinoa. What else was I going to say? There was something else. It slipped my mind. That was it. Make sure that you wash your quinoa before you cook it. Okay? And if you're getting fonio from somewhere else, not from eattolivenottoDie.com, make sure you wash it as well. So here you can see I paired it with my curry and some fried fig bananas. Enjoy.